Hey guys, it's Epic, and today's a pretty exciting day. I just got a notification that my Amazon package has arrived, and that package should be the Dan Durston Drop 40 backpack that I ordered. There's been a lot of buzz about this pack on the internet, and I've checked it out, and it looks like it's got a lot of features that I'd be interested in. So today we're going to do our first ever unboxing video. Alright guys, I got my package back here in the Wonder Bus. It just came in from Amazon. This should be the Dan Durston Drop 40 backpack. I've been really excited to get this package. There's a lot of features about it that seemed really interesting and unique. Dan Durston is a Canadian thru hiker who's known for trails like the Great Divide, and he designed this backpack in connection with Mass Drop, now Just Drop. And I want to see how this compares to my Z-Packs packs. Okay, so this is kind of our first look at the pack here. Definitely some things I can see right away that are different about it. A couple of specs on this, first of all. So this pack is made out of a combination of, I think, VX21 and VX7 X-Pack material, which is really strong, durable stuff. I actually really like the VX material. It's a little bit more abrasion resistant than your standard DCF or Dyneema composite fiber. It takes abrasion better. My wallet, my trail wallet is made out of this. My med kit and toiletries kit are made out of this just because it's super waterproof and it's really abrasion resistant. I've never had any problems with it. Just starting here on the front, looks like we have standard load lifters. These straps seem to be a little wide apart up here. That's actually wider, I think, than on my my Z-Packs packs. We've got a couple of, I think this is probably Lycra stretch material. These pockets up here. I don't know exactly what you could fit in there. It looks like small items will go in there. I don't know how far that stretches. Oh, they stretch out pretty good. Yeah, you could probably, I don't know if I could fit my phone in there, but you could definitely fit some small items, maybe some snacks up there. Looks like it has those pockets on both sides. Pretty standard stuff on the chest strap. Looks like it has pockets built in to the hip straps. And those open up pretty good. Yeah, there's a decent amount of room inside those pockets. Not a lot of padding on the hip belt. I don't think I really require tons of padding, but if you're a person that's more sensitive to that kind of stuff, it looks like both the shoulder straps and the hip straps don't have tons of padding on there, so that might be a deal breaker for some people. I don't think it'll be a problem for me. Moving on to the side, looks like we have your standard daisy chain system for non-stretch material, for lashing trekking poles, ice axe, stuff like that on there. One thing I read on the site is that the water bottle pockets are not symmetrical. So it looks like on this side you've got kind of flat water bottle opening with you know, just a stretch pocket, and then on this side it's cut at an angle. So that gives you kind of a different storage variety for like how you want to store your water bottles, or if you want to put other materials in there. So they're not completely symmetrical. And then yeah. Then there's this pocket on the side here. I saw this on the website. I thought that was pretty unique. I'm not quite sure how I'm packing this pack yet, so I don't know what I'm going to store in there, but there is ample room in that. And it doesn't go through to the water bottle pouch. That is a pocket on its own on that side. And then on the back side, one of the really unique things about this that I was intrigued by is how they do the front pocket with this kind of just this VX pocket on the back with a zipper, and it's daisy chained to make the front pocket, so it's a stretch pocket. Probably not as stretchy as a full mesh pocket, so you won't be able to get as many things in there, I don't think. And also I wouldn't store small items in there just because they will fall through the daisy chain, I'm pretty sure. And this pocket here is pretty narrow, so you could probably get maps, trail permits in there, maybe small stuff like, I don't know, chapstick, headlamps, whatever it is you want to put in there, small items, I think. The pack size is 40 liters total, which I think is going to work out really good for me because I am not filling my 65-liter Z-Packs pack, so I don't think I need as large of a pack as I have been using. Looks like you've got lash points on here if you wanted to attach anything extra to the pack. And yeah, it's basically a tube. Not really much to this. Looks like you have 2 single attachment points on the front too, if you wanted to hook something on there, like maybe your Garmin InReach. For those of you who carry those, I do. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. It's a pretty basic pack with just a couple of unique features. I think that it'll probably have enough room for me to put my fanny pack on the front, so it'll be like a utility belt for me, where I have 2 side pockets, and I prefer my my fanny packs for my quick access items up in front. Just putting the pack on real quick. I don't have any weight in it, so I can't tell a whole lot, but just want to make sure that it fits my torso length. Belt cinches work real nice. I do like that this chest strap seems to slide up and down on a rail. Usually with a lot of these, they're just hooked on one place, and they don't always have the option to move them, so wherever the sternum strap is, it's stuck there. So it looks like this one is adjustable. You can put that where you need it to be. And then, yep, and then these stretch pockets sit right there. That's pretty nice. At least it feels nice initially without any weight in it. And it looks like it probably is going to fit my torso length, so that's pretty nice. This is a framed pack. It does have an aluminum reverse U-frame in it. That I guess is underneath that. Yep, looks like there's a Velcro piece of Velcro here that opens up, and it does have this reverse U-frame and then a piece of foam padding in there, so very minimal padding. Also, this pack, you'll notice, doesn't have any lumbar support right here on the back. I don't think I'm going to have any problem with that either. The Z-Packs pack has an option to put that there, and I've wore it both with and without the lumbar support pad, and it's fine for me either way, but just be advised if you have back problems and that's an issue for you, that there is no lumbar support here. And I think that's about it for the initial on the pack. We're going to test this thing out on a 4-day trip out on the Timberline Trail in Oregon coming up here in September. We were originally going to do the Three Sisters Trail, but it looks like we're going to be doing the Timberline Trail due to permit issues that we were having. The Three Sisters Loop is really heavily traveled, and so we're not really going to get a chance to get permits for that. But we're going to go out for a 4-day trip doing the Timberline Trail, which is also supposed to be fantastic. And I'll get a chance to put this backpack through its paces and see if I want to trade up from my Z-Packs to this pack. Well guys, that's all I have for you for right now. Thanks for watching. If you like what we do, remember to like and subscribe. And remember, get off your butts and go play outside.